Welcome to Exams Daily. IEL India recruitment for 2020 has out. In this video, I'm just going to share you full details about this recruitment process. And this IEL India recruitment 2020 has out for the post of Grade A, Grade B and Grade C. IEL India Limited invites applications from Indian national to fill up the following posts such as Grade C, Grade B and Grade A. And for to know more about this notification details, you can go through our Exams Raily's main portal. And this notification for this recruitment was released on 1/10/2020. And the name of the board conducting this is IEL India Limited, and post name is Superintending Engineer Drilling, Manager Accounts, Manager Internal Audit, Senior Officer, Physiotherapist, Confidential Secretary and other grades in Grade C, Grade B and Grade A. And total number of vacancies are 54 and starting date of application is 1/10/2020 and last day to apply for this recruitment is 30/10/2020. And then educational qualification for this recruitment is for Senior Medical Officer post, you must complete MBBS with minimum 2 years post qualification experience. And for Senior Security Officer post, you must complete a graduate in any university, and Senior Officer Electrical bachelor's degree in electrical engineering of minimum 4 years duration with minimum 65% mark. And for Senior Officer HR MBA with specialization in personal management, HR, HRD, HRM of minimum 2 years duration. And for Senior Officer Legal post, bachelor's degree in law LLB with minimum 60% is needed. And for Senior Officer Mechanical, bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 4 years duration with minimum 65% mark. And for Senior Officer Instrumentation, you must have minimum 4 years duration in bachelor's degree in instrumentation engineering with minimum 65% mark. And for Senior Officer Geophysics, PG in Geophysics by Applied Physics by Exploration Geophysics with minimum 2 years duration with minimum 60% marks. And for Senior Officer Reservoir, bachelor's degree in petroleum engineering with minimum 4 years duration with minimum 65% mark. And for physiotherapist, graduate degree by diploma in physiotherapy with minimum 3 years duration and having 5 years post qualification experience. And for confidential secretary, graduate with 1/2 years diploma in secretarial practice or modern office management, executive assistant diploma or equivalent with knowledge of computer application with minimum 2 years post qualification experience is needed. And these are the educational qualification for IEL India Limited recruitment. An application fees for this is for general OBC candidates it is 500 plus applicable taxes, and for SC, ST, PWD, EWS ex-servicemen there is no fees. And selection process is based on computer based test and then group discussion by group task and personal interview. And then age limit for this is for no upper age limit for internal candidates of IEL, and age relaxation of 5 years will be applicable for candidates who have ordinarily been domiciled in the state of Jammu and Kashmir during the period of 1/1/1980 to 31/12/1989, and you want to submit a domicile certificate. And then how to apply for this IEL India recruitment? Go to official website of IEL India Limited, and it is available from 1/10/2020 to 30/10/2020. So for this you need your personal email ID and mobile number. All your details for will be sent through email ID only. So you want to keep your updated mail address. And then candidate can edit the information before final submission. And you are advised to submit only one application for post, and application with higher application sequence number is complete in all respects. And applicants who submit multiple online applications for your post, note only one application with higher sequence shall be entertained by the IEL, and keep active your email address and mobile number. And you are advised in their own interest apply online before closing date. And step by step process for submitting the application for this recruitment is: step 1, sign up by registration; step 2, completion of application form; and then step 3 is online payment of application fees. And these are the things about IEL India Recruitment 2020. Hope this video is useful for you, and I'm just giving this official notification link in description box. You can go through that and you can get more information regarding this. Hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.